What were some of their earliest products? Do they say? They don't say. But anyway, they've been making peripherals for a while. Now they've kind of zeroed their focus to a certain extent on Apple products, and they want to be a part. They want to go along for a ride. And MagSafe is the thing to do right now. So they launched their very own MagSafe products, including a car mount, which is not going to. It's just going to be a place to keep your phone. It's not wireless charging it or anything like that. It's just a place to keep your phone on a vent now. And then they have this other thing, which looks interesting for the bedside table or wherever you charge your devices, the Boost Charge Pro MagSafe 3-in-1 wireless charger. So we know that Apple put out their very basic MagSafe wireless charger. Then they also went and put out the dual wireless charger. But how about the triple? Because many people, they got the whole ecosystem. They're going to have the phone and the watch, and they're going to have the AirPods.
Yes.
So now you charge the whole thing in one spot. Now, I don't know if you like the design, what you think about it. It's more of a pedestal.
Yeah.
It will hold the phone in either portrait or landscape orientation and kind of prop it up a little bit. Maybe you want to glance at it, or you have the alarm set or something like this. But it's not flat.
Yeah.
How do you feel about this?
I like it. The fact that you can see your phone when you're in bed.
Yeah.
It's kind of like a little watch.
See the clock.
Yeah, you can see the
It
clock.
becomes a bedside clock. Yeah. So anyway, it's a pretty cool little setup. It is providing up to 15 watts of wireless charging power. It will provide 5 watts of power for the AirPods Pro and regular AirPods with wireless charge case. And it has a wireless charge module for the Apple Watch as well. It has a non-slip design. It will support the device and cases up to 3 millimeters thick. So remember, we were speaking about, like, maybe you don't want to pick up the Apple official case, but you're wondering, hey, what about all these accessories? How well will they work? The magnet coming through the case. This is why you want a thin case. Like later case, Will. Do I have to explain to you? So this is way less than 3 millimeters. It's 0.6 millimeters.
Yeah.
And so you get a really strong magnetic connection through this case. If you get crazy with these bulky cases, then your MagSafe may work a little bit, but it might not grip quite as well. So that's something to keep in mind with any of these accessories, whether